The moon hums low in the velvet sky. Stars like whispers, they drift and sigh. Clouds tiptoe by, a quiet parade. It sings, it sways, soft as a secret it carries the days. Close your eyes, let it take you crickets hum in a sleepy tune. The earth feels warm beneath the moon. A gentle rhythm, the heart of the night. Breathe it in, let it stay. Turn slow this way. Lullaby of the breeze. It sings, it sways, soft as a secret. Just the quiet pace. Every moment here feels like grace. Feel it touch your face. You've come so far to stand right here, breathing in the breaking waves. Let every sorrow disappear. You are held in an ocean of quiet hearts. All the pieces you carry can fall apart in this calm, in this hush. Let the story start. You are held in an ocean of quiet hands. Footprints fading in the sand. All that weight slips from your hands. Every doubt like distant foam drifting out